Hey, this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BRAV. We will take a look at the daily time frame. I believe I've done this one, but it's been probably literally years since the last time I did it. The ticker symbol does ring a bell, but like I said, I don't remember when the last time was. But regardless, I've had some questions come in on it, and I just really haven't ever gotten around to doing it. So kind of looking around today and had a couple other questions pop up. I can see why this day was pretty crazy today, but it's actually a nice looking chart. I'll explain how I can say that after a day like today. But it is worth just mapping out some support resistance levels and just talking about some technical perspective. So how can I say that the overall chart's still looking good even after today? Well, I already kind of used the keyword. The overall chart looks fine, and the reason, without even looking at any of this stuff up here, the one thing, and really the only thing that you need to look at in order to see that the overall chart is fine, are these two moving averages here. The purple line here being the 50-day simple moving average, yellow line 200-day simple moving average. And if you're unfamiliar with charts, there's kind of two, as I call them, godfather moving averages, and those are the 50-day and 200-day, and those are the ones that pretty much all chartists and traders use. And as you can see here, both have uptrends to them, the 50-day more so than the 200-day, but point being, they both have a positive and upward slope to them. So that just gives us the overall context, which is bullish. So today, yes, not the most exciting day, but as far as the overall chart is concerned, still in an uptrend, and that's the name of the game. Now, if you're a day trader or something of that nature, and you bought up in this region here, then yeah, the chart's not looking too good for you. But when I make the comment of overall, that's more in terms of assuming that you're a swing trader or just some sort of longer term trader, not some day trader that's looking to sell 5 minutes after you buy. So that is a distinction. If you're a day trader, depending on where you bought, obviously that's going to dictate how you're looking at the chart right now. So in terms of supports, kind of already touched on this, but really the level that sticks out to me that's not one of those moving averages is this level down here. So I'll change that to green to represent support. And the reason this sticks out is if we go back and look through the price history, you can see when the price was broken above there, acted as support, acted as support, acted as support. The price did drop below, but it was managed to then come back up and close above it. So this level there is at 0.016, and although the low of today was 0.017, got pretty darn close to that. And then you combine that with the fact that the 50-day simple moving average, which is valued at 0.015, this is a pretty darn important level of support. After that level of support, you then have another one down here right around 0.012. Again, that's valued right off of this price area here. You can see that's where the low dropped back on March 28th. So that's another area of support. And then the kind of granddaddy of them all support is a 200-day, but nobody wants to see the price drop all the way down there. So I'd really keep an eye on this 50-day, and if the price can stay above there, that's definitely the ideal situation. After today's pullback, a couple resistances have formed. First being right here, this previous high, which is at 0.0248. So 0.0248 is going to be one level of resistance, and then the next one is just simply going to be this clump of previous highs up here, which looks to be right around that 3-cent mark. You can see 3 out of 4 days up there is the price that knocked down and the upwards attempt by the bull. So that is where the chart currently stands. If there are any other questions on it, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out our newsletter up there. When you do that, as you'll see, you will receive a free ebook. And if you enjoyed the video and want to learn more about charting and how to use it in your strategy as a trader, I'd encourage you to check out our educational course by clicking down there. Over 8.5 hours of video and teaching, and getting great third-party reviews. So I'd encourage you to make an investment in your education as a trader and check it out. One more time, this is BRAV. Thanks for listening.